I'm going to make fried rice for our dinner. This is steamed rice, green peas, carrots, garlic, onion, sweet corn, and oil. I'm going to put oil on the pan. Then put onion, garlic, fried it. Now put the carrot, put the green pea, give it additional with sweet. Now mix them all together. Put a little bit pepper and salt. Now the mixed vegetables are ready. We are going to put now the rice. Then we're going to add pepper and salt again. Then mix it. So now it's ready, our simple fried rice. So this is now my simple fried rice that I'm going to eat for dinner. Come and join me to eat. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye and God bless to each one of us.